Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page using your mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Pages. Next, tap the Create button. You'll be asked to choose between a personal or professional page. Select the one that fits your needs and tap Next. Then tap Get Started to begin creating your new page. You'll need to enter a page name. After that, tap Continue, and then tap the Create Profile button. Now add a profile photo and a cover photo from your gallery, and then tap Next. You can also add friends, join groups, and follow other pages if you'd like. Once you complete all the on-screen instructions, your Facebook page will be created. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.